Hey guys, Ben with Income Options Trading here on Thursday, January 16th. Hope you guys had a good day. I was up 285 on two trades today. One was a full winner, another one I stopped out prematurely because I had a meeting. But if we go into the chart here, the VIX was down very slightly. It was down like 0.2% at the open. But I looked at the reverse iron fly and it was still over $21 to open up for a 30 wide. And I didn't like the 21 risk 21 to make 900, so I decided to do the regular iron condor. In hindsight, let's take a look here. I think I was looking at the 5960 as the middle, so if it was under 39 I would have profited, so I would have had to hold it to the very end and I would have got a couple $100 winner. So same amount of profit for the regular iron condor and the reverse iron fly today, but I just didn't like that risk to reward. So I opened up the normal iron condor. The put side was tested a little bit here with this run down, but one of the reasons I like opening up the iron condor in the morning is even though this early morning drop off, I was in the red. Once it turned around, I was fine the rest of the day. So even after this drop, I was still plenty in the green. Didn't have to worry about it at all. So that was my main winner today. At 12:30, I looked at opening up a short put spread, but the market was falling here, so I didn't put one on. And then around 1:30, it was 128, I think I put it on. It was trending upward here, so I put on a short put spread with a short put at 59.25. And I had a meeting here at 2 o'clock, so just before 2 o'clock, I put on a stop loss, and I put it for just under where I got filled. So we go to the activity tab here. So I got filled at $1 on that put spread, and I put in a stop order for 85 cents. And I did that just because I wasn't going to have access to the chart, and I just didn't want to worry about it. And on this drop off here, actually at the top here, I was roughly 25 cents. So I thought I was sitting good. Obviously, in hindsight, I shouldn't have put on the stop loss. But I put it on and I got stopped out basically at the bottom of this candle here. So kind of unlucky. I did look at the option here. Let's see if it loads after hours. Yep, loads after hours. I looked here, so it spiked up to 97 cents. So even if I would have put 90 or 95 cents, I still would have got stopped out. But it is what it is, just unlucky on my part. So I got stopped out there at 85 cents, 15 cents winner per lot. I was expecting more of a volatile close with expiration tomorrow. There was a volatile the last 5 minutes. Last 5 minutes, there was a 15-minute drop here. And if it would have started at 59.40, it would have dropped down to 59.25. So, you know, there was still some risk in there, and that's just, I didn't want to worry about it and come back and see a big loss. So I decided to try to close it for basically a break even. And it is what it is. So ended up today, my iron condor was a full winner. Short put spread was basically break even, ending the day at 285. Ending the week, or so far this week, I'm in the green, still on the red on the year because of my my mistakes last week, not because of my trading plan. So just mentally trying to stay stable, as if you could say, be smart about it. If we look at the E-mini S&Ps, we're at 1.5 million contracts, so above that 1 million that I look at to see what kind of day it was, on par with how this week has been. The market has continued to sell off here after the close. It's rebounding now a little bit, but I saw Apple was down quite a bit today, down 4%, and the market still hung around, so I thought that was surprising. So if you had some of the other big movers, like NVIDIA and such, if they would have had more of a red day, I think it would have been an ugly day today, but market actually stood up pretty strong. January expiration is typically bullish, so I think like 70% of the time over the last 20 years it's closed green. So will be interesting to see how tomorrow plays out, but there are no economic news things tomorrow. I think there was like building permits or something with housing, but not expected to move the market really. So Friday, nothing except January expiration, and then Monday is closed because of Martin Luther King Day. So I expect tomorrow to be busy, probably pretty whippy. Monday is also the inauguration day for Trump. So I think it might be a hectic start to the week next week, depending on what he does with executive orders. So VIX is still pretty high. VIX was actually up today, so it here at 8:30, it was basically unchanged, and it was unchanged through most of the day. It was down a little bit, but it really rallied here in the last half hour or so, 15 minutes, 20 minutes. So I expect volatility to probably be bid up a little bit tomorrow. If you have any long dated options, and I do in some other accounts, I don't think the weekend will be taken out tomorrow. A lot of times you can tell when the weekend gets taken out on a Thursday or a Friday. Sometimes it's a Monday. I think it might actually be Tuesday before the weekend comes out. But I guess we'll see tomorrow. I think tomorrow is going to be an interesting day. Planning to stick to the trading plan. Do my normal iron condor in the morning. I think vol will be too high to do my reverse iron fly, and then look to put on some short put spreads if the market is trending upwards. So that's what I'm planning to do tomorrow. And then, like I said, Monday is off, and Tuesday I'll be back. So hope you guys had a good trading day, and thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow.